Welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can remove extra blank line in Word, and if you do it manually you will take a lot of time to do this job. So how you can do that? Let me undo that. So for this you need to press Ctrl plus H to open the find and replace box. Click in the replace tab, and in the find word box you need to put the caret or the arrowhead symbol by pressing shift plus 6 on the keyboard and type small p. And in the replace with box you can leave it blank or you can put a space over here, and then you need to click on the replace all, and here you can see that all have done. There are 60 replacement made. Click OK to proceed and close, and then go to the home and click on the show and hide paragraph marks, and it will be gone. So this is the simplest way to remove extra blank line in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.